In a rapidly evolving electric vehicle (EV) industry, Aptera has emerged as a noteworthy contender, capturing the imagination of EV enthusiasts worldwide. The recent news from Aptera has generated considerable buzz, and in this video, we will delve into why Aptera is poised for success in the highly competitive EV market. To draw sound conclusions, we'll compare Aptera to other top EV companies and examine key factors that indicate a bright future for this innovative company. Leaving us a like proves you like what we do here. Then be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified of any recent video. Thank you. Visionary design and efficiency. Aptera has set itself apart from the competition with its visionary design approach. The company's signature vehicle, the Aptera Paradigm, is a three-wheeled ultra-aerodynamic EV designed for optimal efficiency. This unique design prioritizes lightweight construction and aerodynamics, resulting in a range of over 1,000 miles on a single charge, a feat that no other EV manufacturer has achieved to date. The efficiency of Aptera's design translates into several key advantages. 1. Extended range. With a range that outpaces most competitors by a significant margin, Aptera addresses one of the primary concerns of EV enthusiasts: range anxiety. Aptera owners can embark on long journeys with confidence, without the constant need to search for charging stations. 2. Reduced charging frequency. With fewer charging stops required, Aptera owners save time and can enjoy the convenience of less frequent charging, which adds to the appeal of their EVs. 3. Lower operating costs. The remarkable efficiency of Aptera vehicles not only reduces charging costs, but also extends the lifespan of the battery pack, ultimately saving owners money in the long run. Comparing Aptera's innovative design to other top EV companies, it's clear that the Paradigm offers a unique and compelling proposition that addresses some of the most critical concerns of EV enthusiasts. Cutting-edge technology and innovation. Aptera's commitment to cutting-edge technology and innovation is another factor that reinforces the belief in the company's success. In the rapidly advancing field of EVs, staying ahead of the curve is essential, and Aptera appears to be doing just that. Aptera is pioneering the integration of solar panels into its vehicles, allowing them to recharge while parked or during a journey. This feature not only extends the range, but also aligns with the growing emphasis on sustainable energy sources, making it highly attractive to environmentally conscious consumers. Aptera employs advanced materials to keep vehicle weight to a minimum, further enhancing efficiency and performance. The company's commitment to safety is evident through its incorporation of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, making their EVs not only efficient, but also safe on the road. Comparatively, some established EV manufacturers have been slower to adopt these innovations, giving Aptera a competitive edge in terms of technology and future readiness. Strong focus on sustainability. Aptera's emphasis on sustainability aligns well with the values of many EV enthusiasts. The company prioritizes eco-friendliness at every stage of production, from sourcing materials to manufacturing processes. By using sustainable materials and manufacturing methods, Aptera reduces its carbon footprint, making its vehicles even more attractive to environmentally conscious consumers. Additionally, Aptera's solar integration and high efficiency contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions throughout the vehicle's lifecycle. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who want to minimize their environmental impact while enjoying the benefits of EVs. Competitive pricing. Affordability is a critical factor in the mass adoption of electric vehicles. While some EVs on the market come with premium price tags, Aptera aims to offer competitive pricing for its efficient long-range vehicles. This approach makes Aptera EVs more accessible to a broader range of consumers, including EV enthusiasts who may have been hesitant due to cost concerns. Comparing the pricing strategy of Aptera to other top EV companies, it's evident that the company seeks to strike a balance between offering innovative, efficient vehicles and ensuring they are within reach for a larger audience. Strong financial backing. The recent news from Aptera includes significant investments and partnerships that indicate strong financial backing. This is crucial in an industry where capital-intensive research and development are paramount for success. Aptera's ability to secure funding and collaborate with industry leaders suggests a level of confidence and trust in the company's vision and potential. Customer engagement and community building. Aptera has been proactive in building a community of passionate supporters and potential customers. The company's approach to customer engagement goes beyond traditional marketing and extends to fostering a sense of belonging among its enthusiasts. They have engaged in crowdfunding campaigns that allow supporters to become investors, creating a sense of ownership and alignment with the company's mission. This community-building approach is reminiscent of Tesla's early days when the company cultivated a dedicated following that contributed to its success. Aptera's commitment to its community of enthusiasts bodes well for the brand's long-term sustainability. To understand why Aptera will not fail, it's essential to examine how the company stacks up against some of the established players in the EV market. Tesla is often considered the benchmark for success in the EV industry. While Tesla's success is undeniable, Aptera's focus on efficiency, sustainability, and long-range capabilities differentiates it from Tesla's strategy of producing a wide range of vehicles. Aptera's solar integration and ultra-efficient design offer unique selling points that cater to a specific segment of the EV market. Rivian has gained attention for its electric trucks and SUVs, emphasizing adventure and off-road capabilities. Aptera's focus on efficiency and long-range travel differentiates it from Rivian's niche market. Aptera's lightweight aerodynamic design caters to a different set of priorities, particularly for urban and long-distance driving. Lucid Motors has targeted the luxury EV market with its high-performance vehicles. While Lucid offers impressive performance and luxury features, Aptera's emphasis on affordability, efficiency, and sustainability sets it apart as a more practical choice for a wider audience. In a rapidly evolving EV market, Aptera has positioned itself as a promising contender that is unlikely to fail. With its visionary design, cutting-edge technology, strong focus on sustainability, competitive pricing, and community-building efforts, Aptera addresses the key concerns and desires of EV enthusiasts. The recent news from the company, including significant investments and partnerships, further bolsters its potential for success. While established EV companies like Tesla, Rivian, and Lucid Motors have their strengths, Aptera's unique value proposition and innovative approach give it a distinct advantage. By prioritizing efficiency and affordability, Aptera caters to a broad range of consumers who are looking for practical and sustainable transportation solutions. As the EV market continues to grow and evolve, Aptera's commitment to pushing the boundaries of efficiency and sustainability positions it as a formidable player with a bright future in the electric vehicle industry. For EV enthusiasts, Aptera offers a compelling reason to believe in a future where innovative, eco-friendly transportation is more accessible than ever before. And now let's hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's content, then leave us a like, subscribe, and ensure the bell notification is on to be notified of our recent content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.